Time for another unboxing. What is it this time? Well, it's a cordless vacuum cleaner. Does it work well? Let's find out. Hello again, welcome back to the channel. As I said at the beginning, it's a new vacuum cleaner because my old one broke. Kind of my fault, I guess, because my dishwasher leaked and it got a bit wet. It seemed to work for a while until I tried to charge it and it died. And I was going to get it fixed, but for the price of fixing it, I was getting a new one. It may not be quite good, but it should still be really good. My old one was a more well-known make. This is a Beldray. It's the Beldray Airgility Pet Plus Platinum Edition. It's from Amazon. I'll put the price right by there so you can see. I'll put a link in the description down the bottom as well. So if you do like it, you can also get yourself one. So as we said, it's Airgility Pet Plus cordless. It also has a pet brush. It's got a powered pet brush and a powered normal brush as well, so use it like an upright, and it's got LED lights on it and easy to clean and cyclone and all the other stuff. A little bit on the back there, so the handheld motorized brush, crevice tool, long reach, 40 minute on one charge, pulls away compact and easy to open and clean. So that's good. 22.2 volt removable 22.2 volt removable battery, 5-hour charge time, 25 to 40 minute operation time, 2-speed, 1.2 litre dust container, motorized brush, blah 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 blah. It's good. So let's have a look. Let's get this out in one go, shall we? Oh, that's a little filter. I expected a bigger filter. My old one had a much bigger filter than that. I guess this doesn't have quite the capacity of my old one, but that's good because I quite like my old cordless one because it meant I could take it to the car and not have to worry about the crappy car backs and stuff. So hopefully you can see everything there that's in the box. So there's a tag. As I was saying, it's quite a small. Keep me clean. I'll keep cleaning. Ooh, a free extra filter. I didn't know there was an extra filter. Ooh, scan here for help. Oh, that's cool. So we got a spare filter. Nice to have. Right here I expect is the power supply. It doesn't have any fancy like a docking station or anything like that. It is a plug. A normal plug there, so you can see just plug straight into the wall. Obviously this is a British socket. I'm sure you can get American ones and European ones and so on as well. Normal adapter there, wall, and plug straight into the vacuum cleaner. That's fine. Oh, that's chunky. So this is the removable battery, which is good because if it ever fails, you could just get a new battery. So that's good. I like that feature because usually if it's got a non-removable battery, it means it'll be dead after a while and it'll be gone. But this means I can replace it, so that's good. A back tool. Seems quite good. You can see the power there, and on the top there is a little button that will release that. And see that there, and see the little brush with a little bit that'll just help sort of keep the carpet tight and that sort of thing. So there we go, that's quite good. A powered little brush. Put that to one side. And the crevice tool, it's got a little button thing there. So it's a crevice tool and also a brush. That should come out somehow. I'm not sure how. Looks like it's a button of some kind. I'll have to check that. Yeah, I worked it out. I thought it comes off. It doesn't. You just pull it to the end. And that bit stops it from coming back. So if you press that, it can then slide back. Much better so you can't lose it. There you go. Extended brush tool. That's just a crevice tool. I like that. It's quite clever. we have the hose itself. You see how long that is.
Show you the kind
Fairly
of
long. Good. Nice kind of black colour with the platinum. That's nice once again.
Maybe the box will say.
See, it's got the power connector and a clean bit there for connecting it all together later, but we shall get to that shortly. What else do we have? We also have one of those. So that's the Plus quick start guide. Find us on Facebook. It lists all the parts and so on. That could go away. Warning, must read. Do not use charging adapters with a vacuum cleaner other than the one supplied. Don't need a vacuum cleaner without the HEPA filter. Failure to do that could damage it. It's so important. They have 2 lots. How to clean out the filter and so on. And how to... what's that? Warning, must read. The petrol may become clogged with pet hair and other debris. To maintain optimum performance, clean frequently. Remove the petrol from the extension tube, blah 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 blah. You can open it and get all the hair out. I've already watched the YouTube video, so I am aware of that. We then have the large floor brush.
And we have the larger floor brush. So we can see it's actually quite nicely multicolored bristles, so you can tell when you need to cut hair and that sort of thing off, which always happens. They always get covered in hair, don't they, and plastic bands and lots of other things. So cut the bits off, you can see what the brushes are, so that's quite nice. On the front there we can see the LED lights across the front. It's got quite a good range of motion, so you can go under cabinets or just normally on the floor. That's quite nice. And once again we have the connector there, electric connector, and that side then we have the button. There it is. You see the button to release the hose and so on from it.
And then we have the vacuum cleaner itself. So let's get this box out of the way as I destroy my desk and everything on it. Right, here we go. Nice looking. Right, so is that way up?
Okay, so here it is. Plastic on that side. See the bottom, see the top. Trigger is there. I hope I don't have to hold it in place. We shall see. There is, I believe, an LED split. I believe there's some like LEDs there for power or something like that. And we see the filter inside. So to open it up, nice and easy, and tip out all the waste. Not too bad. And then we can take the filter out of there, twist and pull. Okay, so to put this back in here, as you can see on there, you can see it is got 2 bits on the side. It's quite a larger one and a smaller one, which coincide with that there. You can see that quite a good angle. They have to line up, so let's line that up. Twist, twist, twist. Twist again, so we've got it lined up. That is now lined up, as you can see, and then twist that way, locks it in place, and close the door. Yeah, that's pretty good. Can't fault that. Right, so this side is the battery. This side are the connectors for the battery. Here is a battery. We can see the connector. That should fit straight in there and clip into place. So that's pretty good, easy. And once again, you can charge it there, or you can charge it when it's not on there, which is quite good because this can be quite bulky. You can put this away somewhere in a cupboard or in a under the stairs or whatever. That means you can have this out and you can charge it. Not sure if there's LED lights or anything to tell you when it's fully charged. Not sure. We'll have to check that. But let's see if there's any charge. So we put that, clip that in there. Right, press the button. It might be quite loud. Oh, that's good. So you see, trigger there, back in power mode, and off. There are also LED lights on the top, so just down the right way. 3 lights, normal mode. Oh, or is that the charge? That might be the charge then. Yeah, that must be the charge. Maybe. Not Not sure what they signify. Maybe it'll say in the book. I may have to check. Also notice on the side it does have a max line there, so it tells you when you need to empty it out. Pretty good. And once again, we've got that on the side. Am I losing suction? With a QR code to tell you how to clean the filters and what you need to do. So that's quite cool. Ah, there's a little bit there. I think that might match up with, not with that. Where's the hose? Such as that. Ah. Maybe that's how you put it away. Do that. Oh. We shall have to have a look at that in a minute. But for now, we have tested. Lose everything in my room. Right, I've tested it, so let's go out into the hallway and give it a proper old test. Back in a moment.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is try this on the carpet. So let's get this together. So we have the main part. This should go this way, I believe. So as we can see, that should in there. Clips in place, and to unclip it, press that off. So again, in, press, off. Nice and simple. Let's get the other end as well. So we've got this end exactly the same, lined up, off, back on. Not quite as meaty a click when it goes on that one, but that's fine. How tall is it on the ground? Pretty good. Right, move the camera a little bit and test this thing out. Okay, so you can see the kind of height of this. I'm about 5'10", so it doesn't seem too bad. Let's try it. It's making noise, it seems to be doing something. Try. How good are the lights? That's actually not bad. Put the other way, put the light back on. Anything? Ah, I didn't see that before. There's a little thing in there. Can you see it? But there it says press twice for high speed. Probably can't see it, but did this do anything? Let me see, just a quick going over. That actually picked up a fair amount of, well, carpet fluff and hair and things. So that does actually work. That's pretty good. I can't fault that. That seems okay. I shall have to tread a little bit more than that, but seems fairly reasonable to me, I must admit. Seems to work. Alright, what I might do is get the pet tool on this. Because there's no light on that, but how does that spin? Seems reasonable. That I think would be really good for, like I said, for like the couch, chairs, maybe the stairs. Might be good in the car. That might be quite good instead of just the crevice tool. Well, seems pretty good. I will have to use it for a little bit and see what it's like. But so far, like I said, it, you know, for that small amount, it picks up all of that off the floor for that short time I had it on. So, you know, that's definitely picked up a little bit. So that's picking up hair and stuff like that and dust and things. So, seems to be working. Cool. I'm impressed so far. Not bad for the price. I said the price will be by there. It's available on Amazon. It should be available on different Amazons, not just the UK, but obviously have a look if you like it as well. They do other models at slightly different prices. I like this because it has this extra. I don't have a pet, but I like the fact it's got the smaller powered head, which is really useful for smaller areas. So it'd be great in the car. You would only use the big one, but the little one, that might be really good on the chairs and the carpet in the car. So fantastic. Anyway, thanks all for joining me. Hopefully you found this interesting, I'll put more information about all the power and everything else that says on the box down in the description as well, just so you have a little bit more information about how. Thanks all for watching. Please join me again soon for whatever the hell else I'm going to do, because who knows on this channel. I don't know random stuff. Anyway, bye-bye for now.